What's up, everybody? It's Coach Dave here in the Compel Country Kitchen, cooking on the grill in the great outdoors, and taking a social media viral video, the smash burger tacos that have been circulating around recently on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and we're going to adapt that into our meal plan. So sit back and learn a thing or two, because nutrition does not have to be hard, and it can be still tasty. So follow me for more recipes. If there's anything else you'd like to see me make into a healthy recipe, put it in the comments below, and we're gonna go ahead. So the first thing we got to do here is we got to go ahead and season our beef. We've got some extra lean ground beef right here, little Famous Dave's burger and steak seasoning, no calories. Go ahead and season that up. Go ahead and get that nice and mixed together. There we go. Look at that. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and make our burger sauce. We're going to start with some light mayonnaise. Add in some sugar-free ketchup right here. Just a little bit of that. A little bit of that right there. A little squirt of some good old yellow mustard. And finally, some dill pickle relish. Now, some people like to use sweet pickle relish, but again, we're trying to watch our calories, keep this on our meal plan. I prefer dill pickle relish anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and add one big old spoonful of that. Go ahead and mix all that up. There we go. Voila, burger sauce. In a healthy way. All right, now that our grill is nice and hot, we're gonna take our lumps of meat, like I said, about 6 ounces each, stick them right here on our smoking hot griddle, and we're gonna go ahead and smash them. You can use a spatula, or you can get a burger press. Get them off of Amazon or at your local hardware store. Go ahead and smash it down real nice and flat there. Again, this is going to go on a taco, so we want to get them nice and flat. Also makes them cook a little faster. Go ahead, look at that. Go ahead, add one more down here. There we go, look at this. Love cooking on the grill in the summertime, and more importantly than that, we also are very passionate about making sure we're following our meal plan and following our recipes. So we want to make sure we can adapt as many of these things in a healthy way as possible, so we don't get bored and are still enjoying our favorite foods. So we're going to go ahead and let them get cooked on one side. Go ahead and give them a quick flip. Let that one cook a little bit longer. Non-fat American cheese slices, only about 30 calories, mostly protein. So again, trying to find a way to stick this on our meal plan. There is always a healthy substitute for just about anything. So we can always find a way to eat what we want and still stay dedicated to our fitness goals. Next, we are going to go ahead and take 2 low-carb tortillas. You can find these in just about any grocery store. Some will say keto on them, but these are going to be just plain low-carb. Go ahead and stick them on top of our burgers. No-calorie spray butter. Give it a quick spray on the back so it's going to get nice and crispy like a grilled cheese would. I'm going to take our burger again. Give it one more quick flip on the grill. Boom. Boom. Go ahead and let that grill get nice and toasty and crispy. Go ahead and slap our cheese on it. Good, non-fat American cheese. Boom. Boom. There we we go. We're gonna one of them we're gonna put a little sugar-free ketchup. There we go. Plain yellow mustard. And a little diced onion. Doom. Go ahead and give this one here a quick flip. Smash it down real good one more time. This one over here, we're going to add a little of our burger sauce. And a dill pickle. Now these two, this is the trick. Go ahead, take your taco, fold it up nice and tight, fold that down in half. Let that continue to grill on one side. Here we're gonna do this other one real quick right here. This is our Big Mac. Other one is just a basic hamburger taco. Pickle's trying to escape here. Go ahead and give them a quick flip. Boom. Boom. Tortilla. Quick butter spray. Boom, boom, boom. These are about ready to come off. Big Mac first, right onto a plate with our pickle and our ketchup and mustard, our basic. Cheese on this one. Go ahead and fold it up. Again, you can put whatever toppings as long as we keep our sugar low, keep our fat low. There you have it. Smash burger tacos. Perfect for a cookout, for a family dinner. Any other questions about nutrition, drop them in the comments below. Any recipes you want to see me make into something healthy, drop it in the comments below. And check us out next time. I'm Coach Dave. Until next time, woo!